Hi, this tutorial is for people who want to become publishers in WhitePress. As a reminder, I will add that the publisher is the owner of a portal or website who can earn by publishing sponsored content. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add your portal to the WhitePress platform and start making money on it. Before we go through the whole process step by step, make sure that your site meets our requirements. Do you meet the current technical requirements, which can be found in the news published on the local WhitePress site? Do you have any link exchange systems installed on your site? Do you own and publish your own content? If you answered yes to all three questions, then we can start. First, from the list on the left, select the My Portals tab and then click the Add Portal button. First, you need to fill in basic data. All fields are mandatory here. Enter the domain name. Choose the type of portal from General Thematic Portal, National, Thematic Portal, National, General Thematic Portal, Regional, Thematic Portal, Regional, Blog, or if you cannot match it to the appropriate category, choose the other option. Then choose publication language. Next, choose the country that your portal is linked to. If, for example, your portal is in English and its audience is both from the UK and the US, choose the one which you think is the most appropriate and click Next. The next tab is Theme. The only mandatory field here is the short description, which should contain a brief description of the portal. The minimum description length is 10 characters. You can also supplement tags, i.e. keywords, describing your portal. You can enter up to 20 tags. Complete the heading. We do not publish themes, such as those infringing law or promoting competition. Click Next and go to the Popularity tab. Complete the number of unique users per month. Attach a file generated directly from Google Analytics that documents portal statistics covering the last 3 months and showing the number of unique users. The file should be in PDF format. If you have a problem with attaching a file or do not know how to generate it, write us at office@whitepress.net. Finally, in this tab, you can add links to the accounts of the portal in social media, Facebook and Twitter. The number of fans and followers is filled in automatically when you add a link. Click Next and go to the last tab, Statistics and Codes. Here, you can select whether you have the option to add WhitePress HTML code, i.e. our proprietary tracking code, which you place in the content of the article on your website, and whether you have the option of sharing statistics of published articles from Google Analytics or another system. If you can't add the WhitePress tracking code, you provide the first article statistics for free. In any other case, you can charge a fee, which you enter in the net cost field of providing statistics for the published article. You can also indicate that you don't share statistics. Finally, click Save. Bravo! You've just finished completing the basic data about your portal. Now, on to the next step, completing the offer. First tab, Basic Data and Promotion. Here, you enter the name of the offer, which would best describe what the offer contains. Complete the number of promotion days, link to the homepage or section. Optionally, you can add a screenshot of the place where the link will be placed. Indicate if the article will be available on Twitter and Facebook. You can only do this if you have previously indicated that the portal has profile in these social media. Paste a link to a sample article, for example, from the main page or a selected section. Then click Next. Now you are in the Editorial and Technical Settings tab. Here, you will have some checkboxes to select from. First, in Editorial settings, indicate whether your offer includes writing an article. If so, complete the deadline for the preparation of such article. Then select whether advertiser can add an advertising banner in the content, and then choose the answers to the following questions. How will the article be tagged after publication? At advertiser's discretion, you don't tag it or tag it on request. You don't tag it paid articles. You tag the text as sponsored article. You tag it as sponsored article or partners article or external article. What are your quality requirements for the article? Very high quality written by renowned specialists. High quality. Should be correct and have substantive value. Can the text have an advertising character? It can be of an advertising nature. It must be objective, but may point to the advertiser. It must be completely objective. Should there be pictures in the content? If so, how many? Can't have photos. It doesn't have to, but it can have photos. Should contain photos. What is the maximum length of the article? No restrictions. You specify the maximum length of the article and enter the number of characters with spaces. What will be the duration of the article? Deleted after 12 months. The article and links remain unchanged after 12 months. The article remains and the links change the attribute to no follow after 12 months. Other, and you specify. Will commenting be available? All articles are commented. Articles are not commented. I can turn off comments on the advertiser's request. Other, and you specify. Who provides the main picture of the article? Mandatory, must be provided by the advertiser. Optional, provided by the publisher. No picture. From the drop-down list, select Image Proportions and enter the minimum image width in pixels. Then go to Technical Settings. Indicate whether it is possible to place embedded content, for example movies, and whether it is possible to place external counting codes sent by the client. Do you allow do follow links in the article? If you indicate that you do, specify the number of links to the advertiser in the article. Many links, no links, maximum number of links to the advertiser, and specify the quantity. Also, choose the answer to the question whether you allow other links in the article. Yes, I allow links to other sources or pages in the content of the article. I do not allow other sources or pages in the content of the article. However, if you indicate that you allow do follow links in the article, then provide the type of links. Only brand, URL, navigation, graphic links. Mixed links, partly EML. All links, including EML. Then click on Next. Finally, the last tab, Price and Other Comments, is an optional field where you can add some comments or requirements. In the end, enter the net price for WhitePress. Its attractiveness will affect the number of orders you receive in the platform. Remember that you can always edit the offer or change the price. Also, having several different offers makes your portal attractive. Prepare both SEO offers with do follow links and PR offers with no follow links, but with promotion in social media. Be sure to click on the Submit Portal for Verification button so that you can activate it. Congratulations! Your portal has just been sent for verification by the editorial office. Acceptance can take up to 2 business days, so please be patient, and someone from WhitePress will contact you soon regarding your portal. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I invite you to follow the next tutorials.